Don't worry, you have come to the right channel. Hello and welcome my friends to my YouTube channel, philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Today's video will be about Microsoft Outlook.
How to back up your email account in Microsoft Outlook. In nowadays, all our mail is stored in the cloud, so that we can access it from anywhere and anytime. These services have storage limits, however. What happens though when it is full and we want to free up some space without losing anything? Thankfully, there is a solution that we can use, and it is to back up our email messages along with our contacts and calendar locally on our computer as a PST file. What is a PST file though? It is a file format Microsoft programs use to store items like calendar events, contacts, and email messages. Stay tuned to find out how to back up your email account in Microsoft Outlook. In Microsoft Outlook, I have 4 different email accounts, and I want to export or back up an email account. I have to move to the File tab, and then from the left of the ribbon I select the command Open Export. Under the category Open, I select the command, I locate the area Import Export, import or export files and settings. I just press the button Import Export, and the Import and Export wizard dialog box appears. Choose an action to perform. For this video, I'm going to select Export to a file. At the bottom of the dialog box, we have a description. Export Outlook information to a file for use in another program. I press the Next button. I want to create a file of type Outlook data file, PST. Again, Next button. Here are the email accounts that I mentioned before. Which account do I want to export from? I'm going to select the third one, ps.cassandrinu@hotmail.com. I'm going to include the subfolders, so I leave the command activated, the checkbox, and I again press the Next button. Save export file as. I have to use the Browse button to select where I want to save the PST file. It's on my desktop. I've created a file, exported, and the file name is going to be year 2021. I just press OK, and here we have different options. Replace duplicates with items exported. Allow duplicate items to be created. Do not export duplicate items. I leave the default, replace duplicates with items exported, and press the Finish button. Here we can create an Outlook. Here we can add an optional password if we want to. Password, we verify the password. If we do it the next time we're going to try to import the PST file into our account, we're going to have to log in with the password. If we leave it blank, it won't ask us anything. I press the OK button. And the PST file has been created already. It was a small email account, so it didn't take that much long. And here we can see 11.8 megabyte.
Thank you all for watching. If you have enjoyed what you saw in this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free and let me know by heading down to the comment section.